You need to brought magic set.
Oh, cubes. I did. Okay.
Oh yeah, that one is too short, the other one.
Which one?
Yeah. That's one.
It should be there.
I think that's much better if you go on the other side.
I think it's because the wind goes this way.
Burn your finger. Nothing wrong with that. You already got it.
Okay, dito. See? He just did two.
Okay.
Good job.
Good job. Amazing.
Show us
the
the...
Master
Mike,
Chef Canada.
assistant kita, panguha na ako ng pasta.
Of course, sure.
Pasta,
Yes, sure.
please.
Follow her na.
I forgot to bring pepper.
Pasta. We have
Pepper ka?
No. Don't worry, we have bell pepper.
Okay. Just half. Just half.
As on, then we're gonna add it again. Chicken.
Yes.
It's pre-cooked already?
Yes.
Yes.